I'm talking about those people are not going back to incarceration, committing new crimes. They are clean and sober, not on mats, not on psych meds. They are focusing on education and employment. We help connect them with real opportunity for career-based employment, mentorship, entrepreneurship, et cetera, et cetera. We teach budgeting and finance. A friend of mine is a mortgage banker. She has been for 25 plus years. She comes in and teaches fundamentals of credit and finance. We help them learn how to navigate a number of different real life experiences, such as buying a car, buying a home, learning how to apply for credit cards, all of those kind of things, how to utilize those things effectively, what kind of credit stuff is important to deal with, how to deal with that, what you can let go, what you can hold on to. And we have a heavy focus on family reunification. We like to help people learn how to build stable relationships, social networking relationships, as well as familial relationships. And we like to help people reintegrate back into their households. So when I talk about 97% success, on one end, we have very few going back to prison because they've created new charges. On the other end, we're helping them to develop a robust life with the external components that help people navigate society successfully. But what we do first is we do that internal work. We dismantle our thinking. We first assess deficit. I've developed an assessment that looks at a multitude of different areas, from addiction to family relationships to housing stability to foster care to maladaptive thinking, et cetera, et cetera. And then we address the biggest component while they're incarcerated. I've developed curriculum that really helps people to, like I said, dismantle and dissect thought processes, behavior patterns, and all of these things, build them with the focus of who they want to be, who they wanted to be when they were young, and how to get there, how to develop community around that and maintain that. And we maintain our community status post-release. So if somebody transitions out, they can finish the curriculum because we run a simultaneous program in the community, but we also have alumni support. So similar to what a 12-step program or what church or a fitness group does, we meet regularly. We help people process their stuff. We help the guys that are coming out learn how to continue to show up and navigate things. So yeah, my students are doing phenomenally well. And a lot of them are guys who have been to prison multiple times or have served really long sentences for murder and different things like that.
I love that. You're not broken. You're buried. Buried under notifications, buried under dopamine hits, buried under distraction, and that feels normal, but it costs you depth. This book is about remembering who you were before your attention was hijacked. Get the first 2 chapters free.